In your mouth.
Thanks, buddy.
What's up, baby? What a mic it's been so far. We started off with my favorite part of the mic so far was the people that didn't know Brennan when he said nigga got freaked the fuck out. I was like, that's awesome. That's usually me. That's usually me in that position that's happening to. That's fantastic. Now I know. Now I know what we are all witnesses. Parker's been taking the fucking beating, dude. You gotta understand, dude, you look like if Naruto wrote for Complex right now. You look like you catfish chicks into thinking that you play Spider-Man. You look like the guy. You look like the guy. Gary insulting people's outfits. As if he's not dressed like he just got back from a Soul Cycle class with his wife. Fucking Sean talking about black people fashion like he didn't get those shoes out of R. Kelly's closet. Sean, what you got? Some Jordans? No, I got those Temptation ones, dude. They're fresh. They're fresh, man. Oh man, now I'm gonna bomb with my material.